Hey guys, it's me, Barry. I just recorded a makeup tutorial for you guys on this look right here. It's my everyday makeup look as of right now anyway. This is the makeup. It's like very trad goth with dolly vibes, which goes into what I like. You know, hood goth anime girl of NYC, if you will. So yeah, if you want to know how to look like this, or if you want to know how I even do this, especially my eyebrows, and if you want deets on the makeup I use, keep watching. Also, my chains are from the Berry Shop. If you don't know, I run a shop. Everything will be in the description though. So keep on watching if you're interested. Okay. So the first step, I am going to tie my wig back. Do not mind my armpits or my closure. Don't mind any of that. Mind your business. We here for the face. I just got out the shower, so my face is hella dry. So once I get out the shower, I use this little face oil thingy I got from Ancient Cosmetics. I put like 4 drops onto my fingertips. I rub it and then I rub it into my skin. You're supposed to rub upward because if you drag your skin down, you're gonna get wrinkles and everything. And I try to be mindful of doing that, but the way my mornings go, I'm always late. So, okay. This is usually the only thing I do to my face. I don't really like wearing foundation like that. Because I don't feel like it's needed for like everyday makeup, for me anyway. That's like a personal preference. So if you see me like looking over here, it's because I have my mirror right here. This is my store's eyeshadow palette. Yeah, it's called the Kawaii Goth palette and it's from my store, the Berry Shop. If you don't know me, I do a lot of things. I run my own store. It's called the Berry Shop. We have like accessories, clothing, lashes, lip gloss, these new eyeshadow palettes. We just have like a lot. Like it's just, I'm super proud of it. So like I'll link it in the bio. So first, what I like to start off with are my eyebrows. I recently started shaving my eyebrows off, but I'm going to leave them like this. We're gonna use this eyebrow pencil by Kiss, and it's in the color dark brown. And the way I do my eyebrows, the way I started doing my eyebrows, it's kind of out there, but I'm just gonna show you. So you're just gonna, I usually draw a diagonal line like that. And then I draw a line down, kind of by my nose bridge, kind of not. Looks like this. And we're going to finish doing our brows. I'm going to take an eyeliner pen, and I'm using this from NYX. I'll link everything that I'm using down in the description, and I'm just going to finish my brow. Okay, now that I have my eyebrows pointed like this, I just fill them in with my regular eyebrow pencil, and I just fill it in, and this is what my eyebrows look like. So we're just gonna clean this up a little bit. I do want to point like the ends of my eyebrows up. Okay, eyebrows are done. So the next thing I like to do, and it's kind of like the last thing really, I like to do my eyes. So while I do my eye makeup, my eye makeup always changes, but I've been doing it this way for probably like a week now. Well, ever since my birthday, I've been doing my makeup like this. If you look on my Instagram, you would see. So we're going to use a flat brush like this. Let's focus. Yes, a flat brush like this, and we're gonna go into the Kawaii Goth palette. Here's the inside. We're gonna use a black color. So I'm gonna put a little on the brush, and then I'm going to outline I'm gonna put it in my crease, and then I'm going to create a faux wing. I'm gonna create a faux wing with the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna connect it. And it's gonna look like that. Boom, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that with the other eye. Okay, so both eyes are done like that. Another note about this makeup look, it's very trad goth. Like, I take elements from trad goth and put them. That's why my eyebrows are so pointy, and my eyeliner will be super pointy when I get to that part. But yeah, we're gonna just blend this out. Okay, so next up is my eyeliner. Now everybody always asks me how I do my eyeliner, and trust me, I have like 2 tutorials up on Instagram, but once you see me do it here, you're just gonna be like, Barry, what the hell is that? Like, we thought it was some secret. No, it's no secret. I'm going to show you. So we're gonna go with the same eyeliner we used to do our eyebrows. Don't fight me if that's not like the cleanest thing you could do. I'm not a makeup artist. This is just how I do my makeup, and I'm giving the people what they want. Yes, sir. Okay. So I'm going to trace the line.
Say my name 3 times in a minute. I can tell you secrets you ain't never gonna hear. None of these niggas care that much, just clear. Solo with the pound spin, spooky 4th gear. Back of the mountain, I've been meditating. Posted at the spot and I've been smoking flavors. Plotting on a bag, had to doctor my patience. Heard you call the cops, they ain't gon' save you. Back of the mountain, I've been meditating. Pull up with a Glock, cause I know you've been hating. Back on the block and I've been serving flavor. Super Saiyan 2, I did not come to save you.
We're going to take the same brush that we did our crease colors with, and we're gonna take some more black, and we're going to, so what I like to do, I like to give like a big eye, like a big dolly eye effect. So I take the black and I drag it right underneath my eye to like the middle of my pupil. So now it looks like this. It's giving me 2000s emo vibes, but it looks cute. We're gonna do the other eye. Now with doing that, you could change the shape of your eyeliner, and you could also make your eyeliner even with the eyeshadow. Cause it buffs it out, you get what I'm saying? It smooths it out. Except for like this piece over here, I might just have to get rid of. But yeah, it smooths it out, it buffs it out, and it doesn't really, you can't really tell where you messed up at. So we're gonna take this like that part off. So for like the final step, we're gonna use this jumbo eye pencil. Could you focus, please? Thank you. This jumbo eye pencil from NYX in the color Cashmere. And we are going to put this in the inner corner of our eyes. And for me, we're just gonna be very generous with this. And you're gonna take it to the other half of your pupil. Okay, I know I forgot to do something. When we were doing our eyeliner wings, I was supposed to finish lining my whole eye. Next thing I like to do is highlight. So I'm using this round small brush. I forgot where I got it from, but we're gonna go in with this gold shade from the Berry Shop palette. And we're gonna take a little bit, blow it, and then we're gonna highlight our brow bone. I have a very messy way of doing my makeup, but I'm not a beauty guru, okay? Makeup isn't my thing. People just happen to like my makeup. And then we're gonna put a little bit on the middle bridge of our nose. Well, the bridge of our nose, but we're not gonna drag it all the way down. We're just gonna do it at the bridge and then put some at like the tip of our nose. I learned this tip from my friend Mickey. Mickey, if you're watching this, I love you. Like, this tip changed my life. You're gonna blend it out. That's that, and then for the excess, I just kind of put it wherever. Next up, we're gonna go in our Too Faced palette. This was the Christmas box one that they had. Christmas 2019. Yeah, last year Christmas. I found this in Macy's. I got me and my mom one. So yeah, basically, it's a blush palette. It came with the blush palette, highlighter, bronzer, and like eyeshadow palette. It was really, really nice. And it smells like vanilla. So I'm going to take literally all of these shades and I'm going to go like this. All of these shades in a circle. Hopefully this doesn't look super bad in camera, but... And I'm going to put blush on my face. Okay, blush is finished. So we're gonna go back with this brush and we're gonna use this Wet n Wild highlighter powder that's from the drugstore. This is like hands down my favorite highlighter. Like, it's just so freaking pretty. We're gonna dip some and we're gonna put it on our bridge where we put the eyeshadow at. I tend to overdo it with highlighter, but that's because like it makes me look cute. And then we're gonna put some on our nose, the button of our nose, and then try to blend it a bit. Don't blend it too much because you won't get that button effect. But yeah, and then I put some, just a little bit here, and then a little bit here. A little bit on my cheeks. Okay. Second to last step. Our lashes. If you know me, you know. Me and lashes are like this, okay? Me and lashes are best of friends. A look is not complete unless you have lashes. You are not a baddie unless you know how to put on lashes. And I'm not talking about the small natural looking ones that your hair vendor gives you when you buy like a wig. They give you one of those little tiny spider looking ones. No, you talking about lashes. And this is the Berry Shop lash book. This is so freaking pretty. The packaging is everything for me. Like, it's the packaging for me. Get into it. Y'all are asleep. Yeah, so I'm going to use lashes from the Berry Shop Lash Book. Here's what the lashes look like. My favorite pair, I don't know if y'all could tell, but my favorite pair is F21, and it's these two right here. So we're gonna use these, put them on, and we're gonna move on to lips, and then we will be finishing a bit. The glue that I use for my lashes, it's the Duo Glue. It looks like this. It comes in a tube. My friend Sarah put me onto this actually, so like thanks Sarah, because this is some good glue. So yeah, we're going to put a small strip, just a small coating of lash glue on the band of this. The band for this lash is very, very thin. These aren't mink lashes. They're just like, how do you say it? They're just regular lashes. Like, they're not mink or anything. I do have mink lashes on my store though, but this is for vegan people. Now we're going to move on to lips. For lips, I'm going to use this LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. Could you focus, please? Here we go. Looks like this. I use it for my lips. Don't crucify me if you're not supposed to. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna line our lips. I recently started like overlining my Cupid's bow. Okay, it looks like this. And then to top it off, we're gonna use this NYX lip cream in the shade Copenhagen. I hope I'm saying that right. Please do not. Thanks. It's a cute cherry red. It's giving me goth vibes. My whole everyday makeup look is inspired by trad goth. I almost forgot about my lashes. So we're gonna put on our lashes. So one last thing we're gonna do is take more highlighter, because I'm a highlighter addict, and put on my nose and my bridge. Also, if you want more color, there is this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the color red, of course, and we'll just put some more here. Okay, and that was really it. Let me turn the light on so I could record my intro and I could show you guys what my makeup actually looks like. Okay, this is what my makeup looks like. This is the finished product. I'm not a beauty guru or anything. I don't claim to do makeup or anything like that. This is how I do my makeup every day. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment, tell me what you think about it. Please don't be mean, because I am sensitive. Yeah, I tried my best to show you guys. I know the lighting is really off, so I don't know if I will post this or not. But yeah, leave a like, subscribe if you want, leave a comment, share with your friends, and let me know what you think about this. If you do want to recreate it, please tag me on Instagram. I'll leave all my socials down below. And yeah, that's really it. Bye!